So I went completely sleep deprived to buy that dabba. I'm reaching out for it, and there's this young mom, and she's like, "Oh, baby ke liye." I'm like, "Huh." आपको देख के लग नहीं रहा आपका बेबी है. मैं एक नहीं साथ हैं. Dog lovers in the room, make some noise. I love Bangalore, man. You, sir, I hope you find love. So I got my dog pregnant. Buy another dog. What kind of porn are you into, Bangalore? Look, she developed a fake pregnancy. So her vet told me to get her mated. You look very confused. Okay, by fake pregnancy, it's not like she was trying to trick the other dog into holy matrimony. एक paw में fake ultrasound, एक paw में सिंदूर, ऐसा नहीं था. What happens is, the body's hormones trick it into believing it's pregnant, right? So mumminess starts happening. Full mummy syndrome happens. Like you put on weight, milk starts flowing along with emotional blackmail. I actually paid a certified breeder to get her mate. I paid for sex. In other words, arranged marriage. Look, I didn't know that dogs have a 100% strike rate. जैसे कोई पुरानी हिंदी मूवी का हीरो. बारिश आई, हीरोइन प्रेग्नेंट. यार नो वंडर हीरोइन का बाप हमेशा हीरो को कुत्ता बुलाता है. एंड यू नोटिस आई एम कॉलिंग हर माई डॉग, राइट? क्योंकि बिच सिर्फ मेरी नेबर है. लुक, वी यूज दिस स्टेज एज थेरेपी, ओके? डिफरेंस इज यू पे टू लिसन टू अस. Her name is Punch, the dogs, not the neighbors, which is short for punchline. Because she makes me laugh all the time. She's a French bulldog. You guys know French bulldogs? Yeah. It's like an English bulldog, smaller in size, bigger in attitude. You know, like, she once barked at a Rottweiler. I'm like, are you crazy? He takes dumps your size. Even the Rottie is going, "Kaun bola be?" You know, when she'd gotten pregnant, I had actually fallen back on sanskars I'd picked up from Bollywood. मैं उसको पिन्नी के लड्डू खिलाए थे, गायत्री मंत्र सुनाया था. मैंने रूम में सुंदर सुंदर पपीज की फोटोज लगा दी थी, मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ. But you know, right, amongst dogs also people prefer male dogs to female dogs. हाँ, because see, the female dog gets on heat, right? She gets her periods, as they say. And then फिर उसको संभाल के रखना पड़ता है, गली के कुत्तों से बचा के रखना पड़ता है. कोई ऊंच नीच हो गई तो लोग तो यही कहेंगे, रिप जीन्स पहनी होंगी. छोटी पूंछ लेके घूमेगी तो ऐसा ही होगा. So the other thing that I found out was, apparently the vet doesn't come home to help you with the delivery. Something I found out when she started delivering. I'm like, "Please bro, help me out." He's like, "Don't worry, it's perfectly natural. She'll know just what to do." I'm looking at Punch. Punch is looking at me saying, "I don't know." He's like, "Look, when the pouch comes out with the puppy in it, all you have to do is rip open the pouch, drain the fluid, cut the placenta, tie it to stop the bleeding, rub the puppy's chest to get it to breathe. Simple." I have cut my hands trying to peel a banana, guys. The only things I can deliver are punchlines. Thank you. उसमें भी कोई ना कोई मेरी टाइमलाइन पे आके बोल देता है, "हंसना था क्या?" I'm like, no, listen, please, you have to help me out. He's like, "Listen, just watch some YouTube videos, you'll be fine." I was like, dude, इसका मेडिकल एसोसिएशन का स्टैम्प है या रेड प्ले बटन? So I'm frantically watching YouTube videos. I'm showing them to Punch. Punch is like, "तू देख, I identify as a dog." You know, the first pouch that she popped, Punch thought that she had pooped. You know, ek to she's in pain and then she started to bury it. I saw natural instincts kicking in. Not in her, in me. I ripped open the bag, drained the fluid, cut the placenta, tied it to stop the bleeding, rubbed the puppy's chest to get it to breathe, held the puppy out to her going, punch puppy! Not poo-poo. And then she sniffs it and goes, what did you feed me? But I realized what I'd just done. I had brought a healthy, breathing, living, pink little bundle of joy into this world all by myself. I have never had a greater achievement in my life, guys. I turned full Lion King. I was like, no. While I'm still celebrating, she pops the second one. And I'm looking for the first one to put the second one next to. Punch is still thinking it's her poo and has started burying that also. I'm like, are you crazy? Puppy, not poo-poo. Third one, puppy, not poo-poo. Fourth one, puppy, not poo-poo. Fifth one, puppy, not poo-poo. I'm like, tu dog hai ya indigo ki bus? How many do you have in there, man? She had 7 pups. All healthy, all... I cleaned them up, lined them up in front of her, went, take over. She sniffs them, jumps on the bed, goes to sleep. I called up the vet. I'm like, hello? Ab kya kehta aapka YouTube? He's like, arey, don't worry. Sometimes maternal instincts take time to come. मैं क्या ममता है या विकास? Maternal instincts never got the memo, huh? They never came. All she wanted to do was bark at doorbells and chase balls. कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर से आवाज निकली, bloody career woman. I actually had to syringe feed each pup because Punch refused. And you know, you have to feed a pup every 2 hours. And it was taking me up to 20 minutes per pup, chotu sa mouth with the syringe. So by the time I would put the 7th one down, it was time to start feeding the first one again. Guys, बच्चे उसने दिए dark circles मेरे. So the vet told me, listen, supplement the diet with Cerelac. So I went completely sleep deprived to buy that dabba. I'm reaching out for it. And there's this young mom with this glow of momminess to her. And she's like, oh, baby के लिए. आपको देख के लग नहीं रहा आपका बेबी है. मैं 1 नहीं 7 हैं. Then I asked, आपकी कौन सी breed है? She didn't want to talk to me anymore. You know, I fed these pups till they were 2 months old. And then I started looking for loving homes for adoption, right? The breeder tells me, madam, बेच दो. Female pup can go up to 48,000. They are purebred. Male pup can go up to 1 lakh. I go, wow, यहाँ भी pay disparity? Punch, did you know your kennel came with a glass ceiling? I don't know what price you put on a piece of your heart. So I was like, जी हमें तो बस अच्छा घर चाहिए बस. I interviewed potential people, okay? I interviewed everyone. आप क्या करते हो? मांगलिक हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, घर बड़ा है ना. आप क्या करते हो? मैं कॉर्पोरेट में हूँ. ओ गुड सैलरी. पैशन फॉलो करने का प्लान तो नहीं है ना? है तो अंदर के आर्टिस्ट को मार दो, उसको YouTube के कमेंट्स दिखा दो. आप क्या करते हो? मैं कॉमेडियन हूँ. नहीं, आप तो कभी भी अरेस्ट हो जाओगे. रहने दो. It's the toughest thing I've had to do when I had to give up these pups. Each pup I gave away, I was like, ये ले लो, ये इसका favorite खाना है, ये इसका soft वाला blankie, हाँ, this is their favorite toy, and ये महंगा वाला bowl में खिलाना. Suddenly I was like, have I been giving dowry? You know, I kept 1 pup. ताकि मेरी कोक फुली सुनी ना हो जाए. And I named him पंगा. देखो, क्योंकि पंच लाइन से ही पंगा होता है. FIR is a little harder to say. And you know, Panga always thought of me as his mom because mine is the only butt he sniffs. I was part of a cousin's WhatsApp group and they were all having babies simultaneously for some reason. And they started putting photos of their babies. So I started sharing photos of Panga. Apparently, people don't like it when you equate your dog to their child. But why? All their children look the same, bald and pink. Mine were 7 different shades, yeah, black, and white, cream, yellow. My cousin's like, Aryaman, this is Aryaman, he did Jay today. I'm like, so what? Panga can do Jay, sit, roll over. He's 4 months younger than Aryaman. I got a notice, you have been removed from the WhatsApp group. Now Panga's 2 years old and the neighbor's dog is on heat. He has stopped eating, he just stands on the balcony going, ooh. मैंने उसका कॉलर पकड़ लिया, उस घर से हमारा रिश्ता नहीं होगा. He turned around and growled at me. I'm like, हाँ, पैदा मैंने किया. रात भर मैं जागी, पॉटियां मैंने पहुंची. उसके लिए you're growling at me? यार, no wonder Indian mother-in-laws अपनी बहुओं को कुत्ती बुलाती हैं.